The International Indigenous Peoples Movement for Self-Determination and Liberation, IPM-SDL, extends its strongest solidarity, admiration, and heartfelt congratulations to all povos indígenas of Brazil, gathered in Acampamento Tierra Libre 2026 with the theme, "Our future is not for sale, we are the answer." Your collective strength resonates far beyond the borders of Brazil. At a time of intensifying attacks on indigenous peoples, Tierra Libre remains a living testament to the courage and leadership of indigenous women, youth, elders, and allies of indigenous peoples' rights. This historic mobilization of around 7,000 indigenous peoples in the center of government in Brazil continues to stand as a powerful assertion and unyielding defense of land, life, and self-determination. The IPM-SDL honors the deepening ties and solidarity we have built with indigenous peoples in Brazil over the recent years, since Rio Plus 30, through sustained engagements before and during COP30 in Belém, our meaningful engages in Santarém in Para, we have witnessed firsthand the challenges upfront and the strength of your brave fight. We recognize that this year's Tierra Libre unfolds amid ongoing struggles and crucial political climate, from the escalating violence and arrests of Patacho, leaders of Bahia, your barricade and blockade victory in challenging the control and over Tapajos, Madeira, and Tocantins rivers of Amazon, linked to corporate interests of Cargill, demonstrates the power of organized indigenous resistance in defending the commons against exploitation. At the same time, your ongoing fight against the proposed mining of Belosan Mining Corporation in the Volta Grande do Cinco with the leadership of indigenous women is an inspiration to indigenous peoples worldwide. The increasing domination of agribusiness and landlord elites in the Congress also pushes down and threat to reverse the advances of land demarcation and rights protection already achieved. Your actions in the streets, in the forests, in parliament, through popular education and communication, strengthen our collective resolve even at utmost danger. The IPM-SDL draws inspiration from your courage, your anti-capitalist and anti-imperialist unity, and your unwavering commitment to fight for our future. Today, in the face of imperialist power so brazen in wiping nations and civilizations and disregarding sovereignty, Acampamento Tierra Libre asserts that organized people's assertion of self-determination will never bow down to foreign colonial masters and their cohorts. As we face shared threats from militarization and land grabbing to corporate plunder, we reaffirm our commitment to support and deepen our solidarity with the indigenous peoples of Brazil. We look forward to more exchanges, coordinated actions for our common struggle. To all indigenous nations gathered at Terra Libre 2026, long live indigenous peoples' resistance, fight for our future because our future is not for sale, struggle for self-determination and liberation.